Filter cleaning guide for LG split AC. Keep your AC cool in the summer. We recommend to clean your air filters every 2 weeks, or more if necessary. Please take note to be careful when disassembling and reassembling the air filters, as they can be bent or broken easily. Also note that if not assembled correctly, dust and other substances can enter the unit. For Type 1 units, the top filter of the indoor unit can be assembled easily. First, unplug the unit entirely. Hold the knobs of the air filter and lift them up slightly. Then carefully remove the air filter. Clean the filter with a vacuum cleaner or warm water with neutral detergent. Then let the filter dry naturally in the shade. Insert the hooks of the air filter into the front cover. Then press the hooks down to reassemble the air filter. Check the front cover side to make sure they are assembled correctly. For Type 2 units, lift up both sides of the front cover slightly. Hold the knobs of the air filters and pull them down slightly, then gently remove them from the unit. Clean them with a vacuum cleaner or warm water as well. Then let them dry naturally in the shade. Insert the hooks of the air filter into the front cover. And once again, check the side of the front cover to ensure they were installed correctly.